अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। एक्सरसाइज 4.6 के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन जो 6 to 10 क्वेश्चंस है वो हम इस वीडियो में सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 6 में कहते हैं कि insert two harmonic mean between 12 and 48. तो let the h1 and h2 be the two harmonic means. Then 12, h1, h2 and 48, these will be in harmonic progression. So to solve h1 and h2, we have to convert this sequence into arithmetic progression. So the corresponding arithmetic progression will be 1 by 12. This is in harmonic progression, right? So the corresponding arithmetic progression will be 1 by 12, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by 48. So this is in arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have a1, a2, a3 and a4. Using a1 and a4, we have to find the common difference, which is d. So using these two terms and by the formula of nth term of arithmetic progression, which is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d, we are going to use this formula, and in this formula we are going to use first term a1 and a4 to find common difference, and then using common difference we will find h1 and h2. Okay, so we have, this is the fourth term, so it will be a4 is equal to a1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3d. Okay, putting the value of a4, which is 1 over 48, is equal to a1 is 1 over 12 plus 3d. Shift this 1 over 12 on the other side, we will have 1 over 48 minus 1 over 12 is equal to 3d. LCM of 12 and 48 is 48. It will be 1 minus 4. 48 divided by 12 is 4. So 1 minus 4 is equal to 3d, right? So we will have minus 3 over 48 is equal to 3d. Okay, shift this 3 on the other side. So we will have minus 3 by 48 into 1 over 3 is equal to d. 3 is gone. D is equal to minus 1 over 48. Okay, so now we can find the value of 1 over h1, because 1 over h1, first we have to find 1 over h1, and then we will shift this 1 over h1 into h1 by taking the reciprocal. Okay, so this is the second term. Okay, so we the second term using the nth term formula is a1 plus, if we put 2 over here, an is equal to 1, a1 plus n minus 1d. If you put n is equal to 2, so a1 plus 2 minus 1d, so it will be just d. So value of a1 is 1 over 12 and d is minus 1 over 48. That is equal to 48 is LCM, and we have, this is 1 by 12. Okay, so 48 is LCM, and dividing 48 by 12 we will get 4 minus 1, so it will be 3 over 48, which is equal to 1 by 16. So a2 is 1 by 16. Now a3 is, why we are going to find a3, because 1 over h2 is the third term of the arithmetic progression, so that's why we are going to find a3. That will be the value of 1 over h2. So a1 is equal to, sorry, a3 is equal to a1 plus 2d, and a1 is 1 by 12, and 2 times d is minus 1 by 48. Okay, so a3 is equal to, LCM is, if we cancel this 48 with 2, we will get 24, and LCM of 12 and 24 is 24. We will get 2 over here and minus 1, so that will be equal to 1 by 24. So the a3 is equal to 1 by 24. So a2 is A2 is equal to 1 by 16 and A2 is equal to 1 over H1, that is equal to 1 over 16. Okay, so H1 will be equal to 16, right? And A3 is equal to 1 over H2 is equal to 1 over 24. And if we are going to find the value of H2, so we have to take reciprocal of 1 over 24. Okay, so that will be equal to H2 is equal to 24. So these are the two values, H1 and H2, which were the two harmonic mean between 12 and 48. Okay. In question number 8, it says that prove that the square of geometric mean of two numbers is equal to the product of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean of the two numbers. We know that the arithmetic mean of two numbers is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Harmonic mean is equal to 2ab divided by a plus b, and geometric mean is equal to plus minus ab square root. Okay, so and we are going to find, we prove that arithmetic mean multiply harmonic mean is equal to geometric mean square. Okay, so we will take the left side, and using left hand side we are going to prove that that is equal to right hand side, which is square of geometric mean. So we will take left hand side, which is equal to arithmetic mean multiply harmonic mean, and arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Harmonic mean is 2ab divided by a plus b, right? So we can cancel these two. If we cancel these two and 2 with 2, we will get ab, and we can write ab square root square, and ab square root is geometric mean. Okay, so left hand side, which was equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean, that is equal to geometric square of geometric mean. So that was the proof. It was quite simple. Okay, now let's start question 9. Question 9, my students. In question number 9, it says that the arithmetic mean of two number is 8 and the harmonic mean is 6. What are the numbers? So we have two information. One is arithmetic mean of two number is given, which is 8, and the harmonic mean is also given, which is 6. And we know the formula of arithmetic mean and the harmonic mean, which are arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 and the harmonic mean is 2ab divided by a plus b. Okay, so we are going to put the value of arithmetic mean, which is 6, and over here that is equal to, 6 is harmonic mean and 8 is arithmetic mean. Okay, so using this information we are going to find the value of a and b. Okay, so a plus b divided by 2 is equal to, arithmetic mean is 8, harmonic mean is 2ab divided by a plus b is equal to 6. If we solve this equation and shift these two on the other side, it will be 2 8s are 16. So a plus b is equal to 16. Okay, now we can put that value of a plus b in this equation. Okay, so that will be equal to 2ab, a plus b is 16 is equal to 6. We can cancel this 2 with 16, that is equal to 8, and now shift this 8 on the other side. So it will be ab is equal to 8 into 6, which is equal to 48. Okay, now take the value of a or b from this equation and put that value in this equation, then we will be able to find the value of one variable. If we shift a on the other side, so we will have b is equal to 48 divided by a. Now put that value in this equation. Okay, so we will have, or we can use this space as well. a plus b is equal to 16 and putting b is equal to 48 by a. So we will have a plus b is equal to 48 divided by a, which is equal to 16. We want to get rid of this a from denominator, so we will have to multiply both sides of equation with a. So multiplying a with every term of the equation or both sides of equation, we will have a square plus 48 is equal to 16a, and we have multiplying both sides by a, right? Okay, so this became a quadratic equation. A square, we need to write this in standard form, and then we are going to factorize this quadratic equation to find the value of a. So shift this 16 on the other side, it will be 16a plus 48 is equal to 0. Now we have to split this midterm in such a way that sum would be equal to minus 16 and product will be equal to 48 a square. So that will be 12 4, I think. Yes, 12 4. A square minus 12a minus 4a plus 48 is equal to 0. A is common, a minus 12 minus 4 is common, a minus 12. A minus 12 is again common, so we will have a minus 4 is equal to 0. If the product of two terms is equal to 0, then one term has to be 0. So either a minus 12 is equal to 0 or a minus 4 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 12. If we put, and a is equal to 4, if we put that value of a in the first equation, this is equation 1, and you can write this as an equation 2. If we put value of a in equation 1, then we can write equation 1 implies that a is equal to 12 plus b is equal to 16, then b is equal to 4. Okay, if a is equal to 4, then a plus b is equal to 16 will give us 4 plus b is equal to 16. That would make b is equal to 12. So either the two numbers will be either 16, sorry, it will be a is equal to 12 or b is equal to 4, or a is equal to 4, b is equal to 12. So these are the two possibilities of a and b. So if a and b are 4 and 12, then its arithmetic mean will be 8 and harmonic mean will be 6. In question number 10, students, it says that the harmonic mean of two numbers is 4 by 5. It's a mixed fraction, and geometric mean is 6. So what are the numbers? So the harmonic mean of two numbers is given by 2ab divided by a plus b, which is the same formula we have been using in this exercise. And if we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that will be equal to 24 by 5. 5 4s are 24 plus 4 is 24 by 5. And geometric mean is given as equal to 6. To eliminate this square root, so we have to take the square of both sides. That will make that will make the equation ab is equal to 36. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this one is equation number 2. We are going to use these two equations to find the value of a and b. So what we have to do, we can put the value of ab, which is 36, in this equation. Okay, so equation 2 implies that putting ab is equal to 36 over here, that will make this 36 divided by a plus b is equal to 24 by 5. Okay, now by cross multiplication we are going to find the value of we will make this equation like a linear equation if we cross multiply and get rid of this denominator. So multiply 5 with this one, so it will be 2 36 are 72. Multiply 5 is equal to 24 times a plus b, and we can divide both sides by 24. That will make it 3 5s are 15. So a plus b is equal to 15. Okay, we got a linear equation over here. Now either we will take the value of a or b from this equation and put in this equation, or we will take one value from here and put in another equation. So it's up to you. I think that will be easy if we take value of a or b from here. So a will be 15 minus b. A is equal to 15 minus b, and we will put this in equation 1. Putting a is equal to 15 minus b in equation 1, which is ab is equal to 36, and instead of a we will write 15 minus b into b is equal to 36. Now multiply b with both sides. It will be 15b minus b square is equal to 36. Shift these two terms on the other side to make this a quadratic equation in standard form. So that will be equal to b square minus 15b plus 36 is equal to 0. Shifting these two on this other side will make this b square positive and this will be negative. Okay, now this is the standard form of quadratic equation, and we can use factorization. So we will split this midterm in two terms. So 36, so 9, 12 3s are 36. So that will be equal to b square minus 12b minus 3b plus 36 is equal to 0. Sum of this is equal to this one, and product of these two terms is equal to 36b square. Now b is common, so it will be b minus 12 minus 3 is common, b minus 12, right? So b minus 12 is again common, so b minus 3. Either b minus 12 is equal to 0 or b minus 3 is equal to 0. If b minus 12 is equal to 0, then b is equal to 12, and putting that b in this equation or in this equation will make a is equal to a plus b is 15, right? So if b is 12, then a is equal to a plus 12 is equal to 15, then a is equal to 3. If b minus 3 is equal to 0, then b is equal to 3, and a plus b is equal to 15. So a plus 3 is equal to 15, which makes a is equal to 12. So these are the two possible values of a and b. If b is 12, then a is 3. If b is 3, then a is 12. So that's how we got the value of a and b. Okay, if you have any questions, students, you can ask me in the comment. I will try to answer you. Thank you.